This video has to be shot. It's gonna be raw, unedited, the truth of where everything is at right now. And it's important because I am building the greatest digital product in the e-commerce space, information product for you guys that has ever existed. And the reason why I'm making this, I'm not even done completely with the program. It's about 6 weeks in, finished of shooting content, is because this is necessary, because this program is gonna live forever in the e-commerce space. And not only is it gonna live forever, it's gonna help the most amount of aspiring entrepreneurs or people of all time. And I'm calling my shot now, halfway done with the course, not a big following on YouTube, not a big following on any of the social platforms, but I know this is gonna help more people than any product that has ever been out there for the absolute cheapest cost. And the reason why it's gonna be the most affordable price that has ever existed in the info product space, the information space of teaching you guys how to do something, is because I finally wanna give an opportunity to the people. There's many of you watching this that are dying for a chance to build that online business, build an e-commerce business, whatever it may be, but do it affordably. Most people can't afford $5,000, $10,000, even $3,000 to pay, even $2,000 to pay for some program that might or might not work out for them. But that's why I've literally put all of my years of knowledge, my $1.7 million of revenue, into one program for everybody to capitalize on it and make money on it. My goal is to have every single member that has ever come across this program an opportunity to go from 0 to 10K per month in the first 90 days or 180 days, whatever it may be, but more importantly, do it while traveling the world and being every single corner of the world. So I'm gonna go over it really quickly of what is gonna be included, because like I said, I'm calling my shot right here. August 16th is when I'm recording this. No members, no big following. And when we look back at this, and this helps thousands, tens of thousands, and it lives on it for the next 10, 15, 20 years and grows on, it's gonna be unbelievable. And you guys are gonna say, holy cow, you knew it was coming before it even came. So this is necessary to record this video, okay? So first, in the program, remember, for the cheapest cost that has ever existed, and it's gonna be worth it for everybody, I guarantee it. Included, it's gonna be a 90-day handheld, holding your hand, step-by-step roadmap, accountability to go from 0 to 10K per month with Amazon online arbitrage, okay? You're looking at 60 plus hours of content, daily Loom recordings, daily, interactive engagements and so on to handheld you from 0 to 10K per month, okay? And this way, by the course being cheap, you can invest your money in inventory, something that makes you money rather than paying an expensive coaching program that people cannot afford, okay? I'm tired of it and I'm making a change to it, okay? Second, you're also gonna get, in month 4, how to build systems and SOPs to delegate your business and make sure that you're only working 1 hour a day or 2 hours a day or 5 hours a week. And that way you can explore cities like Rome, Florence, Bangkok, and travel the world and do this business and let it work for you so you're not working in the business, but you're working on the business, right? Because that's what I've been doing for 3 years. And I want to give all that information back to everybody who's motivated to build something and get out of that lifestyle that you might be living now or that lifestyle that you see online that you want to dream about, okay? Third, in month 6, you're going to get an entire guide on how to hire, train, and manage a virtual team, okay? Sourcing members, account managers, everything. Everything in month 6 of everything I've ever known. I've hired tons of virtual team members. I have tons of them on my team currently. I'm going to fly out to Siargao at the end of this year to go and visit them and have a big company vacation and holiday. So it's going to be an entire guide on how to do that. So that way you're buying your time back even more, along with building systems and SOPs, okay? On top of this, in month 6 or 7, you're gonna get an entire Amazon wholesale guide. So going from 0 to 10K per month to 10K to 50K per month, 50 and so on, right? With everything I've ever known, every outreach strategy, every call strategy, every script, every piece of documentation, everything I've ever known, I'm going to put it right in this program. And it's gonna, like I said, it's gonna make more millionaires and thousandaires that Amazon has ever seen with the cheapest program. And that's why I'm doing this video now, guys. I promise you. All right. Also, fifth but not least, we're gonna have an entire guide on how to do Walmart and eBay selling as well to expand your business across Walmart and eBay. Okay, so Walmart is an opportunity of a lifetime. It's very new of a platform, but it has so much opportunity and growth. It's going to be an extensive guide on how to do Walmart and how to do eBay successfully. So now you have 3 e-commerce platforms that you can sell on and grow your business and add extra thousands of dollars in revenue, right? Sixth, I'm going to go over how to build a remote Amazon business from any corner in the world. I've been doing it for years now, and there's tools, there's softwares, there's information talking about accommodation, talking about self-service, everything you would ever need in a remote business. There's also going to be included in its own module, in its own month in itself. Okay, like literally like 3 to 4 hours of content just talking about doing a remote business, and you could probably take this into any other business that you start for the rest of your life. Last but not least, going to go over how to do Amazon brand direct. I've landed 3 to 4 to 5 Amazon brand direct accounts and have done over $500,000 in revenue solely with Amazon brand direct relationships. And it's the ultimate level of selling on Amazon is having exclusive relationships with these brands. And there's going to be an extensive 10-hour week program on just working with brands directly, how to do outreach, how to service them, how to buy consistently, listing optimization, SEO, everything you could ever imagine is going to be in that brand direct module. Now, all of this adds up to 60 to 80 hours of, consuming content outside of it being a handheld, guide for everything. It's all included for the cheapest e-commerce price that has ever existed. And I guarantee it when we look back at this in 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, it will still be the cheapest e-commerce product for the most value that you've ever seen, because I want to give it all back to you guys. I guarantee it, this is going to help more millionaires and create more millionaires than we've ever seen in our life with any e-commerce product out there. And I'm hold me to it. I'm putting my word out there, and I'm doing this on August 16th. So when we look back at this for 5, 10, 15 years, it's still going to be helping millionaires for the cheapest cost. So there you go, guys. It's going to be launching in October. It's taking me 4 or 5 months to build this out, recording the videos, creating the classroom pages. It's going to be hosted on School, a platform that is growing like crazy, and also very, very excited to keep building on School because I love the platform. And it's going to be absolutely unbelievable. And I'm calling my shot now, like I said, and this is going to be an opportunity of a lifetime. I can't wait. Feel free to drop anything in the comments, any questions, any asks, and so on. I'd be happy to answer them. But there we go, guys. Please like and subscribe. I'm going to have Amazon FBA content coming out as I'm building up this program. And then when we launch it, I'm going to be doing a boot camp to get the first 30 members from 0 to 10K per month in the quickest way possible, and doing everything I've ever, could possibly can to get people to go from 0 to 10K per month, because that way people would do this business from anywhere in the world. And I guarantee you can hear it in my voice and in my facial expressions. Okay. So there we go, guys. Please like and subscribe. Stay tuned. I'm building out this. This is documentation number 1 here on August 16th. And we'll check back and we'll see the growth as we go on. See you for now.